Hey there, it's me, Subri, back with another banger for you guys today. I haven't pretty much talked about gym stuff in a very long time. It has been my focus for a long time. It's a new day and age. It's been almost a year and a half since I've taken like training and just enjoying life again. But there comes a time when you just need to lock it in and just gotta say, you know what, enough's enough, and just do what you gotta do. So, with all that being said, what does this time look like? Basically, we're not gonna put a constraint on ourselves. That's the biggest thing. Because when you put a constraint on yourself or a time crunch, you live and die by that one time crunch, or you live and die by, I guess, the goals that you put in place for yourself. Not knowing that there's so much more to acquire on the journey of what we're doing, right? So be strong, be focused, and just go hard. That's good enough, chat. That's good enough, guys. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. And this was now hard. Holy mother of God. Alright, guys. So, I'm a shell of my past when it comes to strength as well. So today I might be just aiming for around 2 plates in a 25 to 3 plates. We're going to be doing RDLs. We're going to try to move the weight efficiently, comfortably, and most importantly, safely, right? Just we'll feel it out with the barbell. See how this is. Oh my God. Okay. This is not going to be a good day. I can just feel it. Oh yeah, that felt good. Stretch that cheek. Alright, mind muscle connection. Muscle mind connection. Booty mind connection. Hamstring mind connection. Mind hamstring booty connection. It's just a connection. Judge me all you want. I am my own man. Cheeks. All about the cheeks. One cheek. Two cheek. Three cheeks. Four cheeks. 5 cheeks. 6 cheeks. 7. And lastly, we got 8 cheeks in there. Focus with this is trying to get as much knee flexion. So more times people, when they do this, their hips tend to rotate, so they get like a tilt. Just trying to make sure that I don't do that, so we could just get pure quad activation. So, you know what I'm saying, not too heavy, just 8 solid reps. My knees are so fucked as I go down, and right before I press, my knees like feel like they're alleviating so much. You guys ever get like those packing pop thingies, plastic things? That's how my knees feel. They just crack. Just anyways. Knee flexion. Oh, it's the hardest thing to do when you have terrible ankles. Sheesh. God damn it. Again, that's not my max. I'm just trying to make sure like my knees are healthy. Getting back to where you were is not that hard. What's hard is believing that you can get there. Actually having the right belief in you, the right support systems. Whether those are creative outlets, or people that join you along this beautiful journey that we call life. People that show that they care without having to see whether or not you care. Because that is what is called unconditional. Xiaoni, cool Xiaoni.